Methheads took my lawnmower, and they didn't come back to mow my grass. Hey, Methheads took my lawnmower, they never came back so I could kick their ass. And they must have moved pretty damn fast, 'cause I was only gone for a while. Methheads took my lawnmower, and I love my lawnmower like a child. Yeah, I love my lawnmower pretty wild. Hey, Methheads, where did you go with my lawnmower? Now I can't mow. Would you please find it in your heart to bring it back, and we can make a fresh start? After I kick your ass like a Pop-Tart, after I kick your ass so hard it farts. Methheads, why did you take the only way I had to drive? Methheads took my lawnmower, and it really pissed me off. Said them Methheads stole my lawnmower. And it really pissed me off. Yeehaw! Damn it.